Hello everyone. In this lecture we see what is the calculation of mean, median and mode in continuous distribution. Continuous distribution means what? Suppose if you are given classes and frequencies. Okay, in first two lecture we already seen that what is the calculation of mean, median and mode in individual distribution, and in second lecture what is the calculation of mean, median and mode in discrete distribution. In this distribution, that is, if you are given classes and frequencies, there are different formulas of mean, median and mode. The first formula, mean, nothing that is the x bar is equal to summation fm upon n. Here m nothing but midpoint of each class. In the calculation I will explain it again. Okay, summation fm nothing but summation of product of frequency and midpoint of each class and upon n. In second calculation, for median we have to calculate first median class. Median class is equal to class of n divided by 2th items. Keep in mind that there is another different formula in individual distribution, that is n plus 1 divided by 2, and also in discrete distribution n plus 1 divided by 2, but keep in mind that here is only n divided by 2 the items. Okay, then median is equal to, formula is L1 plus n upon 2 minus cf divided by f into c. That is where L1 nothing but, which was already seen in terms used in statistics. Okay, L1 nothing but the lower limit of the median class. Suppose the median class is 20 to 30, then what is the lower limit of this 20 to 30? That is 20. Then keep the value of L1 is equal to 20. Okay, CF nothing but the cumulative frequency of previous class. What is the cumulative frequency of previous class? Nothing but 10 to 20. 10 to 20 CF is nothing but the cumulative frequency of previous class. Okay, then F for frequency of median class, that is the frequency of 20 to 30, because this is your median class. Okay, then C nothing but the class interval nothing but the difference between 20 to 30, that is equal to 10. Then keep the value 10 in place of C. Okay, like that. Mode is equal to likewise median class, we have to find the mode class for calculation of mode. Mode class is equal to class which has maximum frequency. Take a class which has maximum frequency as a mode class, then calculate mode is equal to L1 plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into c. Okay, L1 nothing but the lower limit of mode class. Okay, f1, that is f1 nothing but frequency of mode class. Suppose your class is mode class is 20 30 to 40. Then what is the f1 nothing frequency of mode class, the frequency of 30 to 40. f0 means frequency of previous class. f0 nothing but frequency of previous class, that is 20 to 30. f2 nothing but frequency of next class. f2 nothing but frequency of next class, that is a 40 to 50 frequency. And C likewise class interval nothing but the difference between the limits of your mode class, that is 30 to 40. What is the difference between that? That is 10. That is equal to, C is equal to 10. Here is the first calculation of mean, median and mode in continuous distribution. Keep in mind that question asked in your question paper is, what is the distribution? Which distribution has asked in your question paper? Individual distribution, discrete distribution or continuous distribution? It is first example in continuous distribution, that is you are given classes and frequency, therefore it is a continuous distribution. There is first calculation, that is mean is equal to x bar is equal to summation fm divided by n is equal to there is calculation of midpoint, just like that. The 10 to 20 center of 10 to 20, that is the 15, center of 20 to 30, that is the 25. Prepare the column of midpoint just like that. Center of each class, that is the 15, that is 25, 30 to 40, that is 35, 45 and 55. Then what is the summation fm? Summation fm nothing but the sum of the column of fm. That's why we have to create this formula fm, that is the multiplication of f and that is frequency of midpoint. That is 7 into 15, that is 105. 9 into 25, 225. 15 into 35, 525. Therefore the sum of the column of fm, that is the 1790, that is 790 divided by n nothing but the sum of the frequencies, that is equal to 50. You will get the answer of mean, that is the 35.8 is your mean. Okay, in the calculation of median, we have to calculate median class firstly. Median class is equal to class of n divided by 2th items. Keep in mind that there is not a n plus 1. Okay, class of n nothing but the 50 upon 2th items. Class of 50 upon 2, that is 25th item. Then how can I find the median class? By class of 25th item, find first greater CF than 25. Then firstly we have to create this formula, cumulative frequency. Write a 7 here. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 15, 31. 31 plus 11, 42. 42 plus 8, that is 50. Then find first greater CF than 25, that is the 31. 31 corresponding class is your median class, that is the 30 and 40, 30 to 40. Okay, this is your median class. Then median is equal to L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon f into C. Okay, L1 nothing but the lower limit of the median class, that is the 30. Okay, n divided by 2. What is the n divided by 2? That is 50 upon 2, that is n divided by 2, 50 upon 2, that is 25. Okay, minus CF, cumulative frequency of previous class, means what? Not a cumulative frequency of 30 to 40, not 31, the previous class. Okay, that is the 16 is your CF of previous class, 16, divided by f for frequency of 30 to 40. 30 to 40 is frequency is 15. Okay, then C is C nothing but the class interval. Class interval nothing but the difference between the 30 to 40, that is equal to 10. Okay, next step is 30, just like that as usual, plus 25 minus 16, that is 9 upon 15 into 10. Okay, then 30 plus 10 into 9, 90 upon 15. 30 plus 6, that is 36 is your median. Okay, keep in mind that suppose your class is 30 to 40, then your answer of median must be between 30 to 40, not exactly center but between 30 to 40. Okay, and third calculation is for mode class. For mode calculation of mode, we have to calculate first mode class. Mode class is equal to class which has maximum frequency. In calculation or in question, what is the which class have more maximum frequency? That is the 30 to 40. Okay, 30 to 40 class have maximum frequency, that is 15. Therefore your mode class is equal to 30 to 40. Then mode is equal to L1 plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into C is equal to L1 nothing but 30, that is lower limit of mode class, that is 30. Okay, F1 nothing but frequency of mode class, that is frequency of mode class nothing but 30 to 40 is frequency, that is F1. Okay, F0 nothing but frequency of previous class, that is F0, and F2 nothing but frequency of next class. Okay, F1, that is keep the value 15 minus F0 means 9, to F1 nothing but 2 into 15 minus F0, that is 9, minus F2 nothing but 11 into class interval nothing but the difference between 30 to 40, that is 10. Okay, 30 as usual, 15 minus 9, that is 6, 2 into 15 30, 30 minus 9 29, 29 minus 11, that is 10 into 10, that is 30, cancel of 10 and 10, 30 plus 60 is equal to 36 is our mode. Keep in mind that if your class is 30 to 40, your mode answer is must be in 30 to 40.